Hi there, I'm Susie McCarthy and we're going to be doing some yoga for the face. So there's a few videos in this little series where we do for the neck and chin, we do some for the eyes, we do some to do with just balancing the head correctly over the center of the spine. This one is actually to do with giving your face a bit of a massage in the particular areas that need a bit more attention. So just make sure you've got some moisturizer. I've got my Sukin moisturizer here. Just needs to be something that doesn't totally sink into your skin. So you've still got a little bit of oiliness on your skin to help the skin move around. So I'm just going to put a bit of moisturizer on my face. Nice and fairly generously and not rubbing it in too much. Just going to start with a very little massage just on the edge of the chin here. Just 2 fingers and a circular movement. Just nice firm pressure. And bringing the other hand up, and to come into those corners of the nose. Just doing a little massage on both sides of the nose there. So I want mainly to be going outwards. As I'm going outwards there. So it's a circle of it in an outwards direction. Now I'm going to move to just where the jaw joins in the corner of the mouth there. Just find that joint. And then again, just nice circular massage into that joint. If you'd like to, you can close your eyes or lower your gaze. And then we're going to come to the top lip. Just massaging across the top lip. So any of these movements you can do for a little bit longer. This is just a nice, just quite a quick little massage for your face that you could do every night before you go to bed. And then the bottom lip. Outwards and slightly upwards. And a little bit over the top of the eyes. So along the line of the eyebrow and out towards the temples. And then under the eyes, so quite close to the eyes. A bit of lymphatic drainage, helping to get rid of any bags under the eyes. And if it feels nice, you can close your eyes while you do this. Coming back to over the eyebrows again. And then a little bit of a slap with the back of your hand under the chin. So keeping the mouth and the jaw relaxed. And then we're going to move up to the forehead, so just making sure that you're nice and moisturized up there. And then bringing both sets of fingertips to meet in the center of your forehead, and then just drawing out towards the hairline. So nice firm pressure. So again, you can lower your gaze or close your eyes if it feels good. And just changing so it's more just across the eyebrows and out to the hairline. And then along the cheekbones. So where we did before, we were right up closer to the eyes. This is across the cheekbones and out. Now we're going to go under the cheekbones. Again, closing your eyes or lowering your gaze if that feels okay for you. And the top lip. Again, out to the sides, just giving it a bit of a flick off at the sides. And the lower lip. And then doing a bit of a massage from the inside. So you're going to take your tongue up into these lines either side of your nose and this area at the side of your mouth where we tend to get lines, and just do a circular massage with your tongue. So just moving around the 4 areas. So circles here, here, and pausing. So if you haven't done that before, it can feel quite tiring on your tongue. So just do as many as you feel comfortable doing. Like I said, with any of these, you can go on and do more. Put the tape on, pause, and just continue and do a few more if you feel like it. And then we're going to go under the chin with the thumb. So again, just make sure you've got a bit of moisturizer on your face so your fingers move nice and easily across that lower jaw there, and aiming to keep your mouth and your jaw relaxed. A little bit hard while I'm talking, but we all do our best. And just pausing for a couple of breaths, just feeling into how your skin feels. It should feel nice and a little bit tingly. Okay, then we're going to make fists so that you've got the knuckles of your thumbs sticking up a little bit. Just massaging your forehead with those knuckles of your thumbs. That's probably a very good one to close your eyes with. Just drawing circles with those knuckles, giving your forehead a really nice massage. So sometimes when we're using both knuckles, we forget about that middle bit. Just making sure you go into that middle bit of your forehead as well. And just pausing again, letting your hands relax. You're closing your eyes for a couple of breaths. And coming up to the temples. And drawing so into that sort of little dips beside your eyes. Just drawing circles in one direction. Whenever you feel like it, changing to the opposite direction. Just do whatever feels nice for you. To me, it feels much nicer to do those backward circles. So we don't need to do any of these things for a terribly long time to have really quite a good effect. Then just taking your fingertips, just tapping all over your face. Tap down your neck, round beside your ears, up to your forehead. So if you've got long nails, just make sure you don't use your nails. And then coming right up onto the head. Just giving the whole head a nice little bit of a tap. It really is quite a nice feeling. Really enjoy doing this. You're stimulating all the hair follicles, the scalp. As we get a bit older, sometimes the hair goes quite thin. So the more we can do to keep the skull happy too, it's a great thing. Come back just to finish. A few more taps over the face. Down to the neck. And then relax the hands down. And that's it. Namaste. I'll see you in the next section.